नमस्कार। आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस गौरी दास। गौरी दास वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एचआर है इंडिया फैक्टरिंग एंड फाइनेंस सॉल्यूशंस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, which is an association with FinBank. Gauri, we welcome you to the live talk show of Young Minds.
Thank you, Shefali.
It's a pleasure for us to have you here. Thank you so much for accepting our request and coming live with us. So, for those who don't know Gauri, because she is a very eminent personality, a promising personality, she takes care of HR vertical on pan India level. She not only takes care of HR, but since she has recently completed her MSc in psychology, so she is very compassionate at heart. She understands people. She understands human brains and minds, and she acts accordingly. For a HR professional to understand the brains and act accordingly and take decisions, I think this is very important aspect. And the at the level at which she is, it's a very really important for an HR to understand the people and make them comfortable, because at times hard decisions and soft decisions both are to be taken. So I value your association with HR and the human brains, Gauri. So here I have a question for you. I understand that at your level, all type of situations comes, and you have to be soft, you have to be hard, understanding the people's psychology, and a lot of cases, uncertainty coming to our minds where people are losing their jobs. People have their uncertainty whether they'll have salary cuts, whether their job will continue or not. A lot of students are having restlessness that their jobs have been offers have been deferred. So and we always try to console other people. When it comes to us, we always go to a negative zone. So how do we help ourselves? I would like you to address this question, because we see that a lot of uncertainty is increasing day by day.
Thank you, Shefali and Young Minds for inviting me here and giving me this opportunity to talk about self-compassion. This topic is very close to my heart and it's very pertinent in today's time. But before answering to your question, I would like to pose a question to you.
Okay.
Tell me, if you meet with a failure, how do you feel?
So first question comes to my mind is, I'm very good at heart. I have never done anything wrong to anybody. Why does this happen to me?
Correct. So that's how our human psychology is. We always start with why me? I am not good. I could have done better, or I am not good at particular thing, and that's why it's happening to me. This leads to negative reaction like shame, guilt, or even feeling of failure. This is extremely bad for us. It may lead to stress or depression. We heard today that Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide and he was under depression for a
It's
long
very
time.
tragic.
So this all these things are coming from self criticism. What is self criticism? Being too harsh on ourselves. It's good to do self evaluation, but it's not good to go in vicious cycle of self criticism. I'll tell you what happens with the mind and body when we criticize ourselves. So our mind creates a threat center for us when we self-criticize ourselves, and it comes from our old mind, which is here, and its job is to prepare our body to have a situation of flight or fight. For example, in old times, if there's a lion who is chasing you and you want to survive, you will either fight or you will flight, depending on your muscle power. So this power comes to our body from the hormones that are released, and then our muscles are full of blood. Now think of a situation where if you are in that state for a very long time, how would the body and mind react to it? This is disastrous for us. So how do we come out of it? And as you rightly mentioned, compassion and especially self-compassion is the key to it. So you have already said that many people know compassion for others, but when it comes to having those positive feelings for themselves, they are not good at it because it is not taught in the school to us. So it's a life skill that we need to learn. So let's understand what is compassion made up of. It is made up of three things, which is self kindness. So we are kind to ourselves. We don't become too harsh to us. Second is being human. So we understand that as human we have limitations and failures are part of life. And mindfulness. Mindfulness is not about suppressing any feeling, because if we have a negative feeling it should come out because pent up emotions are very bad for us. So mindfulness is about having awareness about the situation without being judgmental about it. So you don't have an exaggeration for positive feeling or negative feeling. That's all about self compassion. So as I said, it's not taught, so let's learn how we can do it. So there are various strategies. The 5 strategies that help me, I will be sharing with you.
Sure.
So before I tell my strategies, let me pose one more question to you.
Sure.
uh, Tell me a situation or think of a situation where your friend met with a failure, and how was your reaction?
So first of all, if any of my friend falls in a failure, I try to motivate her. I try to show her, her positive things, her good things, and then give her some more examples, either from my life or somebody else's life, that yes, they also got into this situation, and they came out, very beautifully, and they came out with flying colors.
Excellent. You did the right thing. And now come back to yourself and tell me a situation where you met with a failure recently, and how was your reaction?
I feel, how this worst thing can happen with me. And honestly, this gives me a situation that how can I be good to others while I am not good with myself? This you have really given me a question to think about it, because I really feel very bad. I am in a negative thought, and I feel very depressed.
Right. So that's what we do when it comes to friend or our loved ones. It's like it is okay, it's fine to fail and all of it. And when it comes to ourselves, we really take things very seriously and we think that we should have done better, whether things were under our control or not. So this is what we have to change. We have to change our mind or our thinking from being very negative about ourselves to being the same as the way we are behaving with our friends. That is point number one. Point number two, we have to give ourselves permission to fail. This is critical because failure is part of any journey. There is no journey where people don't meet failure, and it's a lesson, right? Moving on, another strategy can be having an open mind for challenges. It's a VUCA word. We cannot say that we will only get positives. There will be challenges. Like it said, that if life gives you lemon, you have to make lemonade. I know it's very easy to say and very difficult to do, but do we have a choice? We don't. So we have to do it. Then positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is very important. So what we have to do is listen to our mind, what we are talking to ourselves, and then if we find it to be negative, ask it to shut up and change our thoughts to positive self-talk, because positive self-talk has key for positive self-image, for self-esteem, and for compassion. And finally, writing a gratitude journal. This is very common. We do it for various purposes. And if we do it regularly, it will help us in creating good compassion as well. So that is all from my side on compassion. I hope this answers your question.
This answers my question very well, Gauri. And I am still stuck in that situation where you forced me to think that I am very compassionate with my friends. When it comes to me, honestly, I am not that positive. I always, I am in that vicious circle. Why this happened to me? I have never done anything bad with anybody. Still, this happened to me. So yes, we all need to be positive, and today's case of Sushant Singh really gives us a platform and a
Yeah.
space to think that be whatever happens, life has to move on, and we can't take any irrational decisions in our life.
Yeah,
So
right. It's very critical, especially in these times, that we take care of mental health, because mental health is something which is not being taken care of well. Physical health we definitely do take care of, but we need to understand that uh, emotionally strong बनेगा इंडिया तो आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
correct, absolutely right. So, friends, we are listening live to Gauri Das, and see, as I told you in the beginning, that she is a compassionate leader. She is MSc in psychology. So, she gives very humane tips which are very easy to follow, easy and tough both to follow. But if we follow that, we are the champions. And we'll be posting this video soon. In case you have any questions, I am very pretty much confident that Gauri will be loving to help all of us. So, in case we have any of our questions or queries, you can post on our YouTube or on our Facebook or on our LinkedIn page, and she'll be really helpful to help us. So
Definitely.
thank you
Thank you
so much,
so
Gauri.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Namaskar. Bye. Take care.